If you're a complete beginner at improvisation and you want to learn how you can go from never improvising to having some idea of what to do, I'm going to show you exactly what to do in this video. And you don't need to know a bunch of fancy chords, scales, harmony, or whatever. Basically, if you want to start improvising, we want to pick one scale to play over one song. And what we're going to do is we're going to learn a blanket scale called the B-flat blues scale. Now, a blanket scale is basically a scale that you can play over a set of chords where, for the most part, the scale works the entire time over the set of chord changes. Where this scale, pretty much whatever note you land on is going to sound good. And the B-flat blues scale is a great blanket scale when playing over a B-flat blues. If this is a bunch of terminology that's new to you, don't panic. Just follow along. I'm going to show you how to play this scale. I'm going to show you what song it goes with, and you can start practicing right away and get comfortable with the idea of improvisation before you have to learn a whole bunch of crazy stuff. So our B-flat blues scale is as follows. First, we start on B-flat. So B-flat blues scale, one note at a time. We got B-flat, D-flat, E-flat, E natural, F, A-flat, B-flat. You might notice the scale is a little bit unusual because when you think of scales, you might think of like whole steps and half steps. We got a minor third, we got a couple half steps in a row, we got another minor third. That's okay. This is a strange scale. Let's try it again. B-flat, D-flat, E-flat, E, F, A-flat, B-flat. You can play it slowly together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And back down. Let's try that again. 2, 3, 4. 4. One more time. And get the scale comfortable under your fingers because we can improvise a lot with the scale. The first thing I want us to do is, without any chords or play-alongs or other musicians or anything, recognize that we could create melodies with this scale and this scale alone. Let me improvise for you a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just playing simple ideas. The secret is to make everything in time. I'm feeling this pulse real strong. Ba ba da ba 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 da ba da ba. Ba 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 da ba ba da. Ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Wee diddle you da do dee doo doo doo. Boo doo doo doo. Boo doo doo doo. Ba 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 da bo. Da da doo. Just showcasing for you that just within the scale, I didn't even go outside the octave. I stayed within one octave. I was able to improvise a lot of music just with those notes. You can land on different notes. They sound good. We didn't even need chords or anything to start improvising something that is immediately fun and you're able to latch on to. Now, if you want to do this over a set of chords, I would go to YouTube or iRealB or a Jamie Aebersold play along, some sort of play along track, and play along with a B flat blues. Then you don't need to add any chords in your left hand or anything. Just improvise with that scale along with the track. I'm not going to pick a track because I can do it with my left hand, but let me just show you when I add the chords how this B flat blues scale can work the whole way through. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how as the chords change, I can just play these notes in the scale, and they sound good. Try improvising with me. I'll just play the left hand. Scale, go. Just play your B flat blues scale. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So if you are watching some YouTube on how to improvise and you're overwhelmed when they're talking about 2-5-1s and scales and making the changes and all of these different things, strip all that away and just get this B flat blues scale under your fingers. Spend a week on this. Spend 2 weeks on this. Like seriously, the journey of improvisation is a marathon, not a sprint. I'm 33 years old and I've been working on this since I was 13. So understand that it's okay if it takes some time to get this under your fingers. Also understand it's okay that I can make it look easy to play all these melodies in this scale. And you might not have all those in your ears or under your fingers, but that's okay. Get this scale really comfortable. Try to come up with some different ideas over the scale that you feel good about. And then take it to a B flat blues play along track and improvise along with the track. And now you've gone from overwhelmed by the idea of improvising to actually starting to improvise a little bit. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and check out my Patreon for a bunch more videos on how to understand harmony, how to improvise, and to learn how you could study with me to develop your piano playing even faster. Happy practicing!